Hello, the name is Nana Einstein, the winner for the second pilot release referral competition in Ghana. Yeah, and I wish to tell the leaders of pilot release that I really appreciate their reward. Yeah, and I wish to also push harder. Yeah, because I can see a great future in this platform, this social media platform. It's really great, and I also tell people out there who don't believe it's raw that it's very raw and it does pays a lot. So please just be part of this great mind, this great team, this great family. Thank you.